Got people being loud behind me in this room. If you, hey, we got some good weather. Thank you, Arkansas. Man, look at that. That was better than Kansas City could even give us. So, about to gas up, refuel, get a full tank, head even further down south to the Air Military Museum.
All right, thank you, Hampton. And some good breakfast. What is this? Oh man, we got some morning Fent over here.
Oklahoma is bringing the heat today. All these cars are from Oklahoma. Yeah, check it out. We got E85 here, the Maverick station. Now take it away. Take it away. Got a free day today. It's Friday during the day. Tougecon starts tonight. Another style rotary engine. It's a rotary radial. So as that turns, the arms for the pistons move up and down. Oh, you can actually turn it. Wouldn't those little planes look so good hanging up in your garage?
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
I'll let the guy have his coffee first. A rocket thruster with 200,000 pounds of thrust. And it was built in 1963. Imagine what they could build nowadays. Here's an exploded view of an actual rocket thruster.
Here's something I've never seen before.
Donation bomb. So we were just talking about the smoke test, and I was telling that gentleman the last smoke test that I remember seeing, it was actually in a magazine, and it was comparing a Jeep Wrangler to an actual cow. It had the smoke test, and it was just kind of like the smoke was blasting on the windshield and up, and that's kind of how a cow is. Jeep Wrangler has the same aerodynamics as a beef cattle. So this is a Shawnee helicopter, war helicopter. Next up, this is a C-130 Hercules. Where I grew up in Arkansas, there was a drop zone near Floyd where my grandparents lived, and from far away you could see them dropping Jeeps, and they would come out of the back of here with huge parachutes on them, but you would also see some types of crates that they would drop out. At night they had glow sticks attached to them. That was always fun, watching them drop stuff. That's a great illustration. We're not able to get into any of the cockpits of this place. There's a warning about fines and stuff. You know, I'm sure there's some law against that, and that's cool. I really probably have no business being in the cockpit of a thing like this.
This is a great museum. Drakefield, Fayetteville
Air Museum. Come here. Not even all the way through this yet, and it is actually pretty incredible. What a great way to spend the day.
It's ready for war. Underneath there too.
this is the same helicopter that we just walked inside, but fully restored.
It's the Shawnee. You can tell it has the little right there. The body just swoops up in the back.
Nicknamed the Banana. That's how you can tell it's a real Jeep.
1952 Jeep, 1951 Jeep.
And if you needed something to tote your bombs around, there you go.
Has a little lift system for your bombs.
Wouldn't you love to be in charge of that lift system, lifting bombs and then transporting them? Building 3.
Looks like it's more hand-to-hand combat things. Rifles.
They got a little bit of everything in here.
Scan here. Okay, check this out. If you'd like more information on any of these guns,
See if that works. Here's what they are.
once again, hope that works for you if you're interested in any of these guns. Pretty neat. Let me know if that works, because I have never done that before.
I've never even thought about videoing a QR code.
You got your Zit lemon lime drink. Let's see, I'm not sure about that. Saudi Arabian look like Sprite. So that's basically me. That's what I would have been videoing
For you guys on for YouTube back in 1951.
These are some aerial cameras. That's some big old guys. Look at that. You get the geographical view of what's below you. Property of Air Forces and U.S. Army. That is pretty serious. I guess that's what they would use
Before they annihilated objects down on the ground. There's another view of the Banana.
I wonder why they call it that.
Just noticed
It has a handbrake for drifting. Well, that's all good. You want to bust a shitty real quick, you just rip up on the e-brake. That's where we are. That's Kansas City. Kansas City, we came down. We kind of ventured off into Eureka Springs and then came back in Tougecon.
no need to show you everything. You need to come here and experience it for yourself.
American fighter jets. Made in China.
John, Hope, and Valkyrie are here. Let's go say hi. This is Valkyrie.
She's got her Chiefs jersey. John says she has to represent Kansas.
My day's made. Car shows are cool, but dogs. Let's go get something to eat.
You guys here for today?
Yeah, today.
I think she liked it.
Yeah, but the snack board here on Dog Daddy Duty.
Day is made. Dog dad duty. Check out this view. What's this place called?
Think about that.
Feed and Follow.
Feed and follow. Leave a view.
You waiting for Uncle Zach?
Come on, baby.
Come on, Valkyrie.
Come on.
So in Fayetteville, it's the Ozark Mountains, and where we just finished eating
It's got streets like this that just, they come down and then they go like that.
So I'm mildly stuck here in the RX-7. Even coming in, I scraped the hole underneath of the car. So we've got to cleverly find a way out of here. In the meantime, Hope found a pretty awesome place to take some photos.
There's the FRS and the FD.
I was trying to get out of here and Hope stopped us for this spot. And I didn't even see it, and look at it. It's,
Incredible.
the girls are in the zone. The girls are in the zone right now.
Too old for this shit.
We're all too old for this. Girls are doing all the work.
They're doing the work.
Valkyrie's just chilling. Just woke up for a nap.
I can't really zoom in, unfortunately. This is behind the scenes. This is what it's like with a photographer. Just met Billy and Rocky at the car wash.
And they're about to roll out. There's Rocky in the Avalon, Billy in the 300.
And this car wash is hopping. There's just been like a revolving door of cool cars in and out of here. It's been so much fun. We're heading to the Origin show right now. It's about to start, so we're about to go check out a whole bunch more cars.